Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2019 Ford Ranger. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Get serious about your outdoor lifestyle. Take a closer look at this Ranger, the midsize pickup that's ready for work or adventure. Rigorously tested and proven tough even under extreme conditions, it offers a surprising tow and payload capacity, aerodynamic styling, and an irresistible blend of comfort and convenience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, trailer hitch, electronic stability control, vehicle anti-theft system, traction control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, floor mats, locking rear differential. Relax and enjoy the freedom of the great outdoors when you head for adventure in this comfortable and versatile Ranger. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.